Hello students, myself Nitin Patel. Today we are going to start our new lesson Rise and Spread of Islam. Before starting this lesson, first we have to understand about the Islam. Islam is a religion in all over the world. Prophet Muhammad was the initiator of this religion. First we have to understand about the Prophet Muhammad, then we will start our topic. Prophet Muhammad, who propagated the religion, was born in Mecca in about 570 CE. Followers of Islam considered him as Allah's messenger. The word of Islam means submission. It means to the will of Allah. Followers of Islam are called Muslims, a term which means people who give themselves to God. Muslim worshipped only one God named as Allah. Now we are going to start our topic according to our book. Islam arose in Arabian Peninsula, which is a vast desert lying between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Since ancient time, Arabia was inhabited by warring tribes of nomadic peoples who led a very hard life. People those were superstitious and believed in many gods and goddesses. They worshipped idol and also the black stone kept at the shrine called the Kaaba in the town of Mecca. In 7th century AD, the Arab tribes were united under the new religion called Islam. Now that Mecca is also famous in all over the world for their Hajj. Each Muslim going for Hajj in their lifetime. Now, advent of Islam, early life of Prophet Muhammad, we will discuss in this topic. Now, the founder of Islam, Prophet Muhammad, was born in Mecca around 570 AD, or before I tell to you CE, both are same. Often early in life, he was brought up by an uncle. On his journeys were caravans carrying merchandise to distant land. Muhammad came to know about the Christian and Jewish religion. He was impressed by their belief in one God, divine revelations. At the age of 40, Muhammad is said to have started receiving the divine message through the angel Gabriel. The message was believed to the God's word and were later compiled in Quran. It is the holy book of Islam or Muslim. As soon receiving the first message, Muhammad began to preach. He preached monetize the belief in one God. He opposed some of the earlier Arab religions' belief and practices like polytheists, that means the belief in many gods, and idol worship. What he accepted the Kaaba as holy shrine. Now his Muhammad was forced to leave the Mecca as some of his teaching went against the established faith of the Arab. He took refuge in a town called Yathrib, later known as Medina, the city of Prophet, because Medina had lived in that city, then that called city called as Medina. Muhammad escaped to Medina in 6022 AD. He called his. This event marks the beginning of the Islamic era and the birth of Muslim community or Ummah. Muhammad teaching became popular in the Medina from where they spread to other town in religion. He was welcomed back to Mecca and hailed as a prophet or the one chosen by the God to spread his message. In this video, we understand about the early life of Muhammad, and in our next video, we will discuss about the what were the teaching of Muhammad. Again, I am repeating, Prophet Muhammad was the Pro- Prophet Muhammad propagated the religion Mecca in 500. He was born in Mecca in 570 BC or AD. The the Muslims were the follower of Islam. In our next video, we will understand our new topic, teaching of Islam.